are going to love the 2016 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, dual airbags, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, Sirius satellite radio, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.